At AA Quick, we believe that quality plumbing shouldn't be a luxury, and it certainly shouldn't break the bank. We know that when it comes to plumbing, price matters just as much as quality. And at AA Quick, we work hard to keep our prices fair every day, not just during emergencies. Right now, we're offering $15 off our already low prices when you mention this ad. It's our way of saying thanks for choosing local. There's no catch, no fine print, and absolutely no pressure. We're here to solve your problems, not create new ones. Whether you're dealing with a stubborn clogged drain, a messy backup, or a plumbing issue that just needs to be handled before it gets worse, this is a simple way to save a little money while getting professional service you can trust. We treat your home like it's our own. One thing that truly sets AA Quick apart is our consistency. We've built our reputation on being there when you need us most. We're available nights and weekends, and we never charge extra just because of the time or day. Your emergency shouldn't cost you more. Sunday afternoon or Tuesday morning, our rates stay the same. That's the AA Quick promise. No surprises, just solutions. So if something's been bothering you, or you've been putting off a plumbing issue because of the cost, now's the perfect time to take care of it. Small leaks can turn into big headaches. Let us help you keep your home running smoothly without the stress of high costs. Just call AA Quick, mention this ad, and we'll take $15 off your service immediately. It's that simple. We pride ourselves on our quality work and our commitment to the St. Louis community. We're not just your plumbers, we're your neighbors. From minor repairs to major installations, our team has the expertise to handle it all with the same level of care and attention. Saving money shouldn't mean sacrificing quality. With AA Quick, you get the best of both worlds: expert service and fair pricing. Remember, we're here for you 24/7. No extra fees, just reliable service whenever you need it most. Call AA Quick today. Mention this ad for your discount. Always available, always quick. We can't wait to help you.